Hey, I'm Dinesh, and today I'm going to present coconut shell straightening English version. This is simple technology. This bottle contains some oils. You can use sunflower oil, coconut oil, or palm oil for this. Can you see curve on this coconut spoon? First, apply oil like this around the straightening area. Now we're going to straight this. Then heat that area like this by using candle flame or any small flame. After a few seconds you can see boiling the oil surface of the shell. After a few minutes you can feel shell is soft than the normal coconut shell. That time keep the shell on flat surface and tighten slowly using fingers, and again heat and do that few times. Can you see now? This is really amazing. This is flat now. Please this mind, do this very slowly. Okay. Did you get any idea? Please comment that and subscribe my channel and share. Thank and stay safe. Goodbye.